Have you ever considered the chilling possibility that we could be the last civilization standing in the universe? Imagine, if you will, a universe where we, humanity, are the solitary survivors. A cosmic stage where every other player has bowed out, leaving us as the last actors to tell the tale. A silent, expansive theater where the stories of countless civilizations have been silenced, their echoes of existence fading into the inky void of space. This raises profound questions, doesn't it? What could have happened to these civilizations? How did they rise and fall without our knowledge? And most importantly, what does this solitary existence mean for us? Are we the final chapter in the cosmic narrative, the last verse in the universal symphony? As we navigate through this solitary universe, we'll explore these questions and discover what it means to be the last civilization standing. In this vast cosmic expanse, it's a sobering thought that we could be the only ones left, isn't it? Imagine for a moment a bustling universe teeming with diverse civilizations, all now extinct. Let that sink in for a moment. Picture worlds that once thrived with life, cultures, and technologies beyond our comprehension, all now silent and empty. Civilizations, like organisms, have life cycles. They're born, they grow, they mature, and eventually they die. But what causes this death? It's a question that has fascinated and haunted us for centuries, providing fuel for many a science fiction tale. One possibility is natural disasters on a cosmic scale. Imagine a supernova explosion wiping out entire systems, or a rogue black hole swallowing planets whole. These are cataclysmic events beyond our control, events that could extinguish even the most advanced civilizations without a moment's notice. Then there's self-destruction, a scenario that hits uncomfortably close to home. Civilizations might develop technologies they can't control, leading to their own downfall. Think nuclear warfare, artificial intelligence gone rogue, or even ecological collapse due to unchecked industrialization. It's a sobering thought, isn't it? Lastly, there's the inability to adapt to changing environments. This might seem less dramatic than the previous scenarios, but it's just as deadly. Imagine a civilization that's so specialized, so finely tuned to its environment, that even a small change could cause its collapse. This could be gradual climate change or perhaps a shift in the planet's magnetic field. These scenarios aren't just speculation, they're warnings. Warnings that even the most advanced civilizations can fall, that no matter how far we reach into the stars, we're not immune to extinction. The extinction of these civilizations could have left us as the last inhabitants of the universe, with a heavy responsibility on our shoulders. We stand alone, the last torchbearers of life in a cosmic sea of silence. We carry the legacy of those who came before us, and the future of all life yet to come. It's a daunting task, but it's one we must rise to meet, for if we don't, we risk joining those silent, extinct civilizations lost forever in the vastness of the universe. What does it mean for us, as the potentially last civilization, to be alone in the universe? This question isn't just a philosophical conundrum, it's a stark reality we may be facing. The implications of such a solitary existence are profound and far-reaching. Imagine for a moment a universe devoid of other voices, other cultures, other forms of life. A universe where we are the sole bearers of consciousness, the only ones capable of pondering existence and seeking meaning. This solitude could trigger an existential crisis of epic proportions. It could force us to question our place in the cosmos, our purpose, our very existence. We could find ourselves adrift in a sea of cosmic silence, with nothing but our own thoughts to keep us company. But this solitude could also be a catalyst. It could challenge us to look inward, to explore the depths of our own consciousness, to grapple with the mysteries of existence that have puzzled philosophers and scientists for centuries. It could push us to transcend our physical limitations, to evolve and adapt in ways we can't yet fathom. It could reshape our worldview, forcing us to redefine what it means to be human, what it means to be alive. In the face of such solitude, we might realize that we are not just passive observers in the universe, but active participants. We are the universe experiencing itself, the only ones capable of understanding and appreciating the grandeur of existence. This realization could inspire us to take responsibility for our future, to strive for progress, to reach for the stars and beyond. The implications of being the only civilization left in the universe are daunting indeed, but they are also thrilling. They present us with an unprecedented opportunity to redefine our identity and our destiny, to not just survive, but to thrive, to not just exist, but to evolve. Being the last civilization in the universe could be a daunting reality, Yet it could also push us towards remarkable evolution. In the face of such solitude, we humans could be pushed to evolve, to become gods, and to create a new universe. The realization that we're the last standing civilization in the universe could serve as a catalyst for an unprecedented evolution of our species. As the only sentient beings left, we'd be compelled to transcend our humanity, to rise to a level of existence that transcends our current understanding, to become godlike, not in a religious sense, but in our capacity to shape reality and breathe life into existence. Imagine a world where we've unlocked the full potential of our minds, where we've harnessed the power of our collective consciousness. We could manipulate matter, control energy, and dance with the laws of physics. We'd be creators and caretakers, not just of our own tiny blue planet, but of an entire universe. But what would it mean to create a new universe? To give birth to stars and galaxies? To sculpt cosmic landscapes and seed them with life? It's a concept that's as mind-boggling as it is exhilarating. It's not just about playing God with the cosmos. It's about ensuring the cycle of life and existence continues, even when we're the last ones left. Of course, this is all speculative, a thought experiment drawn from the depths of our imaginations. But isn't that where all great leaps of evolution begin? From the first spark of fire to the first steps on the moon, we've always been driven by our curiosity, our ambition, our desire to reach beyond what's known. Perhaps in the face of universal solitude, that drive could push us to evolve beyond our human limitations, to become more than just inhabitants of the universe, but its architects and artists, its gods and guardians. From the ashes of extinct civilizations, we could rise, evolve, and breathe life into a new universe. A universe born out of our loneliness, our resilience, and our unyielding will to survive and thrive.